extra regret.
That thing made sense.
And
So,
really,
everybody's fucking around there, the torture box
exit
going
dive.
on, Daniel goes for the ball, right?
Because why not?
Gabriel jumps out. He's like, I'm gonna shoot you, but first.
You had to explain that fish movie where it was just moving gifs of fish and you had to extract a plot from it, and David A.R. White has outdone you. Yeah, you're just like, I don't know, man, they're all in the room.
I don't give a fucking shit.
11 minutes of runtime left, fuck.
I can't tell which Davy is which gun is real, which money is whose. Like,
you kind of deserve to get cut off.
why we never teach dramatic lessons. Then he does the twisting to good Davy, where Davy's like, what should I do? And Santa Jesus is like,
nice
well, if you're
cut off,
asking me,
and he almost cut off someone
I
else.
think you should just give up. To Jesus. Yes.
She leave? Yeah, right. No, she doesn't want to go.
Nice there.
But ultimately, she decides that she will go, and she's got the map of
Exit dive.
I'm gonna go win the movie together.
Yeah, Jason Patrick. I'm mad at TikTok.
No, Pete, that is not gonna work.
TikTok, I'm a genius. Look how genius I am.
Still not gonna work.
Damn, really? What gave it away?
Well,
nope.
Eli actually got here with your face
Freaking bus.
I read so many shelves now. Okay.
I think they still make it illegal to go from Route 8 to downtown Waterbury. I'm pretty sure they because it was like that like when I lived here 5 years ago. Which again, I'm glad I moved away from here. Why do people live here? Connecticut sucks. Yep, extra regret. Nope. Exit dive. Mess hole left? Really? I don't think you can turn left out of there. The thing is angled the wrong way. I'll double check. Really? Let me guess, you're gonna exit dive? Of course.
Calms down by going back to his office to hack a government or whatever.
Oh look, that's a very tall frickin' U-Haul over there that can't be on the parkway.
Scheme of Neil Breen. Because she's my girlfriend, my love. Right, but then Ashley.
But no truck on the back. That's a big one.
She's my long. Anybody on the other end of the shoes?
No, that's true.
It's a ghost who has shoes, and he's in there. Somebody. That's a ghost. He has shoes at least from the knees down.
And jumps their boat with his boat. I cannot do it justice.
No, up there, stupid asshole.
Apple cart that's also a jet ski ramp.
Yep.
You gotta turn from the right turn lane, not from this lane. No, turn on red, that red truck. And look, there were cars coming too. Are you like drunk or something? Yeah, nice cutoff. That's an exit dive behind me. Hey, what the fuck's that guy doing? Hey, that guy's been driving all over the place.
Making his way carefully around the outer edges of the island, navigating from sharp rock and massive waves
No stop.
to the next
Sorry,
sharp
outside.
rocks and massive waves.
Really? They had to run, right? It's like there has to be some common sense. Like, hey, if your light's yellow and you drive a truck that big, maybe it's not a good idea to keep going. You know? I don't know.
Handling your brain. But there are cases where I think
Nope.
it's worth scientific research.
Oh, they're
to
exiting. I'll let that
try
one
to
go.
figure out if something deeper is going on, perhaps in the case of DMT,
Nope.
for example. But I should say that when you said evolution, you see a different view on neuroscience than you normally hear from neuroscientists.
And they did an exit, so there you go. He could have moved over.
Do not exist.
Cares about. That is a big part of the community and a big part of the fabric of that city and a big part of these people's lives. It's important. Yes, it's frivolous. Yes, it's exploitable.
Alright, no trailers on the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we are in Connecticut and they don't allow trailers in the left lane. And I don't think you're going to be exiting soon because we still got a while until the next left exit. So, oh well, sucks to be you. You get to be in the video. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I will see you next time. Hopefully it's not in Connecticut. Okay, bye!